Welcome to our Mandarin learning channel. I'm Luna, and my co-host Kiko is here too. If you like traveling, you probably know this feeling. You step into the airport, look at the crowds, and immediately feel a little nervous. That feeling is common when you have to navigate a busy terminal in a different language. But today, we're going to learn the Mandarin you need for the airport by taking everything slowly and clearly. Look at this flowchart. A massive terminal is just a predictable sequence. Clear 3 checkpoints to get to your plane. You don't need a massive vocabulary. Just use one phrase at each step. Check-in, luggage drop, and the boarding gate. You've just arrived at the first checkpoint. To start the process, you need to find the desk. You ask, where can I check in? In Mandarin, that is, 我在哪里办理登机手续? Let's break that down so it's easier to remember. 我 is I. 在哪里 means where. 办理 is to handle. And 登机手续 is the check-in procedure. Altogether, 我在哪里办理登机手续? Here's how that sounds in a conversation. I will be the airport staff, and Kiko will be the traveler. 你好，请问有什么需要帮助？你好，我在哪里办理登机手续？在那边，3号柜台。Now that you found the counter, you reach the second checkpoint. You need to say, I want to check in my luggage. In Mandarin, 我要托运行李. The word 托运 specifically describes the act of transferring the bags from your hands to the staff. It's when your luggage moves onto the conveyor belt and into the airport system. Here is the exchange at the desk. 请出示护照。好的，这是我的护照。你有几件行李？我有1件行李。请把行李放在这里。Once you finish at these first 2 desks, the hardest part is soldier. You've handed over your bags and received your ticket, which means you can leave the busy lobby and move toward the secure departure zone. Now you are through security and at the final checkpoint, finding your plane. You ask, where is my gate? In Mandarin, 我的登机口在哪里? The word for gate is 登机口, 登机口. If we look at the characters, it literally translates to boarding plane door. It points you exactly where you need to go. Here is how to ask for directions. 我的登机口在哪里? 在那边5号门. Over there, gate 5. Sometimes the staff might give you an answer that is too fast to understand. It's a common situation when you're learning, so it helps to have a few phrases to manage the conversation. If you didn't catch what they said, you can ask them to repeat it. 请再说一遍. Please say it again. If they are speaking too quickly, you can ask them to slow down. 请说慢一遍. Please speak more slowly. And for one last practical need, you can ask for the restroom. 洗手间在哪里? Where is the restroom? These phrases allow you to stay in control of the interaction. By asking someone to repeat themselves or slow down, you give yourself the time you need to process the information without feeling rushed. Now, let's practice the entire airport journey from start to finish. We'll go through every step in one continuous conversation. 你好，请问有什么需要帮助？我在哪里办理登机手续？在2号柜台。我要托运行李，请把行李放在这里。好的，你的登机口是8号。我的登机口在哪里？在那边。请说慢一点。在那边。好的，谢谢。By following this sequence, you've handled every major interaction at the terminal. Breaking it down into these steps helps you navigate the airport with much more confidence. Now it's your turn. I'll give you a situation in English, and you try to say the Mandarin phrase out loud. First, you just arrived and need to find the desk. How do you ask, where can I check in? Now tell the staff, I want to check in my luggage. You're looking for your plane. Ask, where is my gate? And if the staff speaks too fast, ask them, please speak more slowly. You successfully completed every step. Learning these phrases one by one makes a big difference in the real world. If this helped you feel more prepared for your next trip, please like and subscribe. And tell us in the comments, what is your favorite airport food to grab before a flight? See you next time. Goodbye.